Hi friends, welcome to Mr. Mama YouTube channel. ఇవాళ నేషనల్ సాంస్క్రిట్ యూనివర్సిటీ ఏ సెంట్రల్ యూనివర్సిటీ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్డ్ బై అన్ యాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ పార్లమెంట్ నుంచి నాన్ టీచింగ్ స్టాఫ్ పోస్టులు పడ్డాయి. వాటి వివరాలు చూద్దాము. ప్రాస్పెక్టస్ ఫర్ నాన్ టీచింగ్ పోస్ట్. National Sanskrit University and Central University established by an Act of Parliament, Tirupati, invites application from the eligible candidates for the following non-teaching positions to be filled by direct recruitment. Name of the post: Register for the tenure of 5 years, Finance Officer for the tenure of 5 years, Deputy Registrar, Deputy Librarian, Private Secretary, Group C, MTS. రిజిస్టర్కి ఒక పోస్ట్ ఉంది, ఫైనాన్స్ ఆఫీసర్ ఒక పోస్ట్ ఉంది, అన్నిటికీ ఒక పోస్ట్ ఉన్నాయి. గ్రూప్ సికి మాత్రం 2 పోస్టులు ఉన్నాయి. లెవెల్ ఇన్ పే మ్యాట్రిక్స్ 7 CPC, రిజిస్టర్ 14, ఫైనాన్స్ ఆఫీసర్ 14, డిప్యూటీ రిజిస్టర్ 12, లైబ్రరియన్ 13A, ప్రైవేట్ సెక్రటరీ 7, Group C 1. The applications along with prospectus can be downloaded from the National Sanskrit University website nsktu.ac.in. Applicants are required to enclose a demand draft of ₹800 for UR and unreserved OBC EWS candidates and ₹200 for SC/ST candidates drawn on any nationalized bank in the favor of the register. National Sanskrit University, Tirupati, from 14th October 2020 onwards, the PWD candidates are not required to pay the fee. అందరికీ అన్ని కేటగిరీ వాళ్ళకి అందరికీ ఫీజు ఉంటుంది. SC/ST వాళ్ళకి మాత్రం 200 ఉంటుంది. ఈ PWD వాళ్ళకి అసలు ఫీ అనేదే లేదు. Separate application form should be submitted for each post along with the prescribed fee. Application form shall not be provided by cash, speed post, registered post or any other mode. The applicants are required to send the downloaded filled in applications along with the prescribed fee to the register, National Sanskrit University, Tirupati, Chittoor District, Andhra Pradesh. The last date for the submission of duly filled in downloaded prescribed application form is 16th November 2020 by 5:30 PM. ఆ లోపల అప్లికేషన్స్ అన్నీ సెండ్ చేయాలి. ఎలిజిబిలిటీ కండిషన్స్: రిజిస్టర్కి ఒక పోస్ట్ ఒక వేకెన్సీ ఉంది. లెవెల్ 14 యాజ్ పర్ 7th CPC పే మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అండ్ అదర్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫర్ డైరెక్ట్ రిక్రూట్స్. ఎసెన్షియల్: మాస్టర్స్ డిగ్రీ విత్ అట్లీస్ట్ 55% of marks or an equivalent grade in the point scale wherever grading system is followed. At least 15 years of experience as assistant professor in the academic level 11 and above, or with 8 years of service in the academic level 12 and the above, including as associate professor, along with experience in educational administration or comparable experience in research establishment or other institutions of higher education. 15 years of administrative experience, of which 8 years shall be as deputy registrar or an equivalent post. Method of recruitment. Direct or deputation for a tenure of 5 years or till attaining the age of 62 years, whichever is earlier. Age limit for direct recruits. Preferably below 57 years. Second one, finance officer. ఒక వేకెన్సీ ఉంది. Level 14 as per 7 CPC pay matrix. Education and other qualification required for direct recruits. Essential: master's degree with at least 55% of marks or an equivalent grade in the point scale wherever grading system is followed. సేమ్ ఫస్ట్ రిజిస్టర్కి ఎలాంటి ఎసెన్షియల్ పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయి దీనికి కూడా అలానే ఉన్నాయి. సెకండ్ పాయింట్ వచ్చేసి కంపారబుల్ రీసెర్చ్ ఆఫ్ అదర్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ ఇన్ హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్, సేమ్ అలానే ఉంటుంది. మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ రిక్రూట్మెంట్: direct or deputation for the tenure of 5 years or till attaining the age of 62 years, whichever is earlier. Age limit for direct recruits preferably below 57 years. Deputation: by drawing officers belonging to audit and account services or other similar organized accounts services in central state government holding analogous post on regular basis, or with 3 years regular service in level 13 in the area of audit and accounts in any government department or autonomous bodies, with 5 years regular service in level 12 or in area of audit and accounts in any government department, autonomous bodies. Third one, deputy register. ఒక వేకెన్సీ ఉంది. level 12 as per 7 CPC pay matrix. Essential: master's degree with at least 55% of marks or an equivalent grade in the point scale wherever grading system is followed. 9 years of experience as assistant professor in the academic level 10 and above with experience in educational administration, or comparable experience in research establishment and or other institutions of higher education, or 5 years of administrative experience as assistant registrar or in an equivalent post. Desirable relevant experience in the areas of establishment or examinations or finance. Fourth one, deputy librarian. Pay level 13A. A master's degree in the library science or information science or documentation science with at least 55% marks or an equivalent grade in the point scale wherever grading system is followed. 8 years experience as an assistant university librarian or college librarian. Evidence of innovative library services including integration of ICT in library. A PhD degree in the library science or information science or documentation science. Archives and manuscript keeping or computerization of library. Fifth one, private secretary. Level 7 as per 7 CPC pay matrix. Education and other qualification required for direct recruits. Essential: a bachelor's degree from recognized university or institute, at least 3 years of experience as per personal assistant in a university. Katevda. University or research establishment or central or state government, PSU and other autonomous bodies. English or Hindi stenography speed 120 WPM in English or 100 WPM in Hindi. English or Hindi type speed 35 WPM in English or 30 WPM in Hindi. Knowledge of computer applications. Skill test norms on computer dictation 10 minutes at the rate of 120 WPM or 100 WPM. Transcription 50 minutes. English 60 minutes. Hindi. desirable proficiency in English and good communication skills. Method of recruitment, direct recruitment, age limit 35 years. Group C, MTS, 2 post, EWS, level 1 as per 7th CPC pay matrix. Essential, matriculation or equivalent pass, ITI or ITI pass may be adopted as per special requirement of the post if any. Method of recruitment, direct recruitment through written and trade test. Age limit between 18 and 30 years. The following self-assisted documents are to be enclosed along with application in the respect of relevant post. First one, supporting documents, degree, diploma, certificates and the mark sheets of the qualification and experience. Certificate in the proof of date of birth. The candidates applying against the post of serial number 1 to 4 may enclose three sets of each articles, paper, published paper presented in seminars, conference at least 3 years along with the application if any. Caste certificate in any respect of SC, ST, OBC candidates issued by Mandal Revenue Officer concerned or other competent authority in Revenue Department. Fifth point, the candidates belonging to OBC in addition to their community certificate have to submit declaration to such effect that they don't belong to the person sections mentioned in column 3 of schedule mentioned wide dated 8 September 1993 and modified DOPT without which application will not be considered. PWD candidates should submit the proof of disability certificate issued by the competent authority with minimum required disability percentage as per OM number 36039/1/2019 dated of DOPT Government of India. Benefit of reservation under EWS can be availed upon production of an income and asset certificate issued by the competent authority. The income and the asset certificate issued by any one and following authorities in the prescribed. Eighth one, no objection certificate from the employed if already employed. Application form and fees. Application form can be downloaded from the National Sanskrit University website nsktu.ac.in to be submitted along with demand draft for 800 by UR OBC EWS candidates and 200 by SC ST candidates drawn on any nationalized bank or and after the issue of this advertisement in the favor of Register National Sanskrit University Tirupati. No fees is to be payable by PWD candidates. The application form shall not be provided by cash, speed post, registered post or any other mode. జనరల్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ కూడా ఇచ్చారు. ఇవి మీకు పీడిఎఫ్లో కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇస్తాము. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. మా మిస్టర్ మామ ఛానల్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.